We've got those fantastic bold flavours of buffalo sauce and spicy Cajun with the tender sweetness of prawns, all served in a creamy sauce. This is going to tickle every single one of those taste buds. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, if you're craving some spicy comfort food that's on the table in super quick time, this Buffalo Cajun Prawn Linguine is the dish for you. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by boiling up the linguine. Add 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of dried linguine to a large pan of boiling salted water and cook as per the pack instructions. Now the rest of this dish is going to come together while that pasta's cooking. So we're going to start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan. Heat the oil over a medium heat, and then we're going to add in a finely chopped onion, finely chopped red pepper, a sliced jalapeno and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Fry that all together for about 5 minutes, stirring often until the onion starts to soften. Now we're going to add 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of raw king prawns to the pan, and then we'll sprinkle over a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Stir it all together and fry for a further 2 minutes until those prawns are just starting to turn pink. Now we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. I know it might sound a little hot with the Cajun spice, the jalapenos and the hot sauce, but the flavours all work together perfectly and it's toned down by the addition of the cream and the parmesan. So we're adding in 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, plus a tablespoon each of cider vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Then we're also going to add in 120 ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir it all together and bring to a gentle simmer. Then we're going to add in 75 grams of grated parmesan. Now stir it all together again and bring it to a simmer. By now, the linguine should be ready, so we're going to drain the linguine, reserving about half a cup of the pasta cooking water. Add the linguine to the pan, along with about 4 tablespoons of that pasta cooking water. Then use a set of tongs to toss the linguine in the sauce until it's fully coated. You can add a bit more pasta cooking water if you want to loosen it up further. Then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. Divide the pasta between bowls and top with grated parmesan, a little black pepper and some fresh parsley. And that's my Buffalo Cajun Prawn Linguine, a lovely spicy comfort food dinner. And if you love those buffalo flavours, then why not try my buffalo chicken wings or my buffalo chicken pasta? It's on regular recipe rotation at home. The kids absolutely love it. Okay, let's give this a go. I'm going to make a mess now. Mm-hmm.